Presenting the WXGA Business and Education Projector MW560, DLP, 4000 lumens high brightness, 22,000 to 1 high contrast ratio, dual HDMI, up to 15,000 hours extra long lamp life, 10 watt speaker, 3D capable. It has high brightness and contrast images even in well-lit meeting rooms. Exclusive infographic mode showcases the text and graphics in detail and ANSI lumens high brightness and 22,000 to 1 contrast. It supports dual HDMI, offers more flexible connectivity between devices, HDMI input signal and dual HDMI additionally offer multi-platform and expanded connectivity. It comes with smart accommodation always lamp power up to 70% and extra long lamp life of up to 15,000 hours. It supports letter and digit leap to the eye with clarity and perfect squared image with auto vertical keystone. Auto vertical keystone for easy setup and fast image alignment. It can be used for ergonomic retractable foot.